everyone, it's Wolf. So I've started a written journal to complement my journals online on YouTube. I'm not sure what will come of it. I'm hoping to one day put it all together if I can keep going with it and turn it into a book, but only time will tell. Although I've been socially transitioning since I was 19, it's only really the last sort of 3 years that I have thought about hormonally transitioning, possibly 4 years. So that's about 8-9 years, all up until this year that I decided to take hormone treatment. So this specific journal is sort of focusing on not my past, but the present and the future, and basically, this whole year of change. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Bye guys.